Ready for the easiest after-dinner treat? This Triple Berry Cobbler is so easy to throw together. The warm, sweet berry filling and the buttery, crunchy topping is a match made in heaven. Our friends at Yellofruit make it even better with their strawberry frozen banana dessert as the perfect topping. Let's get started! Liked what you saw? Leave us a comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up to let us know. And don't forget to become part of the Flourish fam by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching!